In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Windows 11 version. Knowing exactly which version of Windows 11 you're running is helpful for troubleshooting, checking app or hardware compatibility, and confirming whether you have the latest features. In just a moment, I'll walk you through the quick path in settings and explain what the different labels mean so you know what you're looking at and how to use that information. First, open the Settings app. On your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and the letter I at the same time. You should see the Settings window appear. If it doesn't open right away, try pressing the keys together again, making sure you're holding the Windows key and tapping I once. When Settings opens, you're on the right track. Next, in the Settings window, select System. This is the section that controls your core device and operating system options. You'll find it listed in the left panel on most screens, and if your settings window is narrow, it may appear at the top of the main area as a tile labeled System. Click it to open the system-related pages. Now, choose About. This page is typically near the bottom of the system list. The About page shows details about your device and your copy of Windows. It includes two main areas: device specifications, which relate to your hardware, and Windows specifications, which describe the operating system itself. Scroll down until you see Windows specifications. This section is what we want. It contains key identifiers such as edition, version, and OS build. We're focusing on version and OS build. Look at version to see the release of Windows 11 you're running. This is often shown as a label like 21H2, 22H2, or 23H2. It tells you the feature update level, which affects what capabilities and interface changes you have. Right below or nearby, check OS build. This is the specific build number, such as a long number beginning with 22,000, 22621, or 22631, followed by additional digits. The OS build reflects the precise update state of your system, including cumulative updates and patches. If you're documenting your system for support or compliance, note both the version and the OS build together. The version helps you match feature sets, while the OS build helps pinpoint whether you have specific fixes. If something you need requires a newer release, you'll know exactly where you stand. That's all there is to it. Press Windows +I, go to System, open About, scroll to Windows Specifications, and check Version and OS build. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to verify your Windows 11 version with confidence.